next verse is telling the Bhagavan's name. The meanest of all, he is the Lord of them also. This verse, this third Anuvak, the meanest of all, killer, looter, not only he is in that looter and killer, but he is the Lord of that looter and killer also. अच्छी बात है, हम ही बन जाएं फिर ऐसे. No, I'll tell about that. Before I go to that point, can we chant it? Please repeat. Want to repeat? करें? Time बहुत कम है. Let us see the first ones. First one. Namah sahamanaya nivyadina abhyadaneenam pataye namo namah. Namaskar to you, what? Who are you? Sahman. Naya naya naam hai. Sahman means to the one. I am offering my namaskar to one who forgives, who accepts, who condones. He accepts, yes. Accepts whom? Everybody accepts. Dhyan dena. Please never do behavior with the outer person. Do behavior with the inner antaryami. I'm repeating it. The person has three levels. One level is the pure self. Other level is the God situated in a person who guides him. That is called antaryami. Ante sthita yamayati sarvan. Who tells, get up? Who told you to come here? Who will scold you if you do something wrong? Who will clap you when you will do something right? When you are wanting the joy of that antaryami, then you become a saint. You want his clap. Not outer world. And third is that ego and family person. When you do vyavhar, please do vyavhar with the antaryami. I do namaskar not to the external person, but to that one. What I have understood the meaning of vyavhar. From my goodness, many badnesses are there, I take some of my goodness. I do something to bring out your goodness among all the badness. So collectively, we can bring out bigger goodness. This is the secret of vyavhar. Again shall I say? From my limited goodness, I bring out your goodness. So that we both together can bring out some bigger goodnesses, which can benefit both of us and third person also. Ulta ho jata hai. From my badness, I bring out your badness to create more disturbance all around. If I am angry, I'll make you angry also. If I talk about my ego, then you will also become egoistic. And we do vyavhar with the external person. That is wrong. Namah sahamanaya means who he forgives, who accepts. His nature dekhiye aap. Next is nivyadhine. Nivyadhine means who afflicts the enemies, who troubles the enemies. Nivyadhine. All these words are there. Nivyadhin. Nakarant. Nivyadhine. It's not a karant pulling. It is nivyadhine. Nakarant. Bole, what is nakarant? Don't worry. So sahamanaya. Nivyadhin. So nivyadhin is fourth case. Bole, earlier you said fourth case was Ramaya Krishnaya. Now you're saying, that is for akarant. Arey, what is akarant, pakarant? Chodiye. Don't worry about that. The word ends in a certain, if it ends in a, that is called akarant, like Rama. But brahmacharin is not a word. It ends in na, that is called nakarant. Okay, ठीक है, आप परेशान मत होइए. सब अच्छा है, अच्छा लगा. I tell So that maybe among you some may be interested in learning Sanskrit. Devanagari we won't learn, who will learn? Germany people are having universities in Sanskrit. They are coming and telling us importance of Havan. Shame. We should be telling them. We forget Sanskrit, we forget all these things. So Vidya has to be protected. So Nivyadin, one who afflicts. And then it is called Avyadinin. Avyadinin. So Avyadinam means who is the Lord of all the afflicting deities. What does it mean? Lord of all the afflicting deities. Malaria has one devata. Oh, disease also has devata. Huh. Cancer is another devata. TB has another devata. That flu, tuberculosis, another devata. Oh my God, I didn't know. All are small Rudra. And they are waiting outside. And moment a person's sin has to be coming, then they just do something and the person is gone. Well, I never had any, I was regularly doing yoga, regularly not eating any oily food, nothing I was doing. But I don't know how come blockage came. Blockage came by this Rudra, he entered in all these veins and he only made a cholesterol. But I don't eat. There is no cause for that. He enters any part of the body. That devata, any part of the body, there is no cause for that. Well, but why? Because to give some fruit of action. थोड़ा परेशान करना है. हमें को परेशान करना. हाँ. क्या मिलेगा उनको? नहीं, ये सब मत समझो. Avyadini naam pate. That Rudra will enter here and there. अरे कुछ अच्छा करवाइए, धावते was good. No, but हम वैसे I'm already troubled. Why you are troubling me? Now again you call, you do namaskar, his effect will be lesser then. Don't worry about that. Then he says, Avyadini naam pate namaha. So he is the Yama, Lord of Yama is there. Who causes death? He brings the news now. Yamaraj. That is another devata. All devatas have borrowed their power from main Rudra. All are small ganas are there. So Avyadini Naam means all the deities have their own deity. I mean, all the diseases have their own deities. Cyclone has one deity. Flood has another deity. Sun has another. So he comes here and there and creates a havoc. Especially when they come in Odisha side. Every time. And the tsunami will come in Japan. It is called, a lot of these tsunamis come there. I think tsunami is a Japanese word also. The tsunami. So there it comes. Abu, he is into water. Oh, everything will drown. Indonesia also, it comes. If you see the waves, my God, it can drown big buildings also. And when the tornadoes come in America, the cars are lifted. Cars. They are on the air. Ye Rudra hai. And therefore when natural calamities happen, better to chant this and quieten that. Because some collective bad fruit of action is coming. Collective bad fruit of action. And you can see also God is angry or what. You can see the fury of the nature. When a person is angry, he moves his hand, he moves his eyes, he moves his head. He has a different speech. So when God's anger is there on certain people, he also moves his virat slightly. And then is what is called natural calamity. 1 lakh died. It is like that. Let us see the next line. Kakubhaya nishangne stena nam pataye namo namo. So here is said, Namah Kakubhaya. Kakubhaya. Kaku sthanam bhati yasmat. What is meaning of that? So, Kaku means Devta. Kah. Parinakam. Because who illuminates the Devtas? That is called Kakubha. Oh. Kakubha. Oh. So, because of him, all Devtas are Devtas. I was telling yesterday that the Agni lost his power to burn the straws. Vayu lost his power. Indra Bhagwan lost his power in Bhagavad. It rained and rained, nothing happened to him. Indra Bhagwan. Brahmaji lost his power in Bhagavad. So he is Kakubha, and therefore they are all afraid. They keep on praying to that God. So Namaha Kakubhaya. He is the one who is the Lord of all deities also. They are following his dictates and command. So even if you don't worship Rahu, Ketu, you go to astrologer. So astrologer will say, your Mangal is not okay. You should give some urad dal. Brihaspati is not okay. So on Thursday you should put on yellow clothes. Eat yellow fruit. Nice. Yellow. And there is one katha is also there. You read some Brihaspati katha, all yellow, you do that. So that God will be pleased. Or Shukra is not okay. Therefore in your life there is a lot of problems in the family. Prosperity is not there. Why? Shukra is disturbed. One Devta is disturbed, it can create a hell in the whole life. Child is not there because Shukra is upset. Nag dosh is there. Very common dosh. Nag dosh. Sarp dosh. Will go to Kukke Subramaniam then? For removing Sarp dosh. There are temples for that. So you can go there and you can do that. Well, why Nag dosh came? What I did? Well, in your family somebody killed the snake. Well, if somebody killed, why I am getting away? No, you are born in the family because you also did something wrong so that you are getting. Well, but my grandfather did, why should I suffer? He should suffer. No, please listen. You have to have a problem, therefore you are born in a family. You also did. Not that his fruit you are going through. And therefore a lot of doshas are there. We are not a simple person here. Pitra dosh is there. Pitar is there. So we have done something. So what shall we do? But if you propitiate straight away, if boss is happy, all bottom people are also happy. So you need not go to each and every one. You need not propitiate, bole mangal ke liye kar dete hain. Or my Rahu is not okay. Shanishchar is there, Sadi Sati is going on. So that is my problem. So separately, therefore I'll offer, I'll go to Shignapur. Shignapur, not Singapore. Shignapur, you know that? Shani Shignapur, I'll go there. Shani Shignapur is there in Maharashtra, near Shirdi, around 2 hours. And there is one big Shani Bhagwan there. You must have gone. There people don't lock their houses. Typical place. If anybody does any mischief, that Shani Bhagwan straight away punishes. No need for court. Some problem he'll create. डर के रहो शनि से. दृष्टि उसकी गड़बड़ है. Then what to do? Well, how to know? I don't know which astrologer is there, horoscope is there. Straight away approach the Lord. Under whom Shani is there. You can have darshan, no problem. But don't be dependent on that. So, Rudra, any god you worship. Rudra Bhagwan, Krishna Bhagwan, Ram Bhagwan, Durga Devi, don't be particularly Rudra only. So if you are worshipping your Ishta Devta, worship your Ishta Devta. And if you chant Rudra also, you chant for the devotion of your Ishta Devta. No problem. Because he is Guru Roop. Shivji is Guru Roop. So without Guru you cannot approach anybody. So whomsoever your God is there, he will create devotion for that God. Okay. So he is called नमः ककुभाय, क्या नाम है. Then another word is Nishangane. Nishangane. Nishangane means one who wields the sword. Nishangane is the word. One who wields the sword is there. So to protect everyone. That means he is having the sword to protect everyone. You know, when Daksh Prajapati created problem, then Bhagwan had sent Veerbhadra. Veerbhadra was Shivansh only. When Veerbhadra ran, he used to run with all hairs all around because he was a Rudransh. He took sword only. And straight away he cut the head of Daksh. Oh, straight away. So he is the chastiser now. The next word is Istena Nam Pate Namo Namo Istena Nam. He is the Lord of all thieves. It doesn't mean one should steal and he will protect. Don't take it otherwise. Istena Nam Pate Namo Nama means even if a person steals and after that submits himself, then he will protect. Get my point? And therefore it justifies Sahamanaya. He accepts that also. The glory of a system is how a worse person can be improved or not. This law of survival of the fittest is not good law. Survival of the weakest should be there. Any system is known in which how the women, poor people, old people are treated. If you want to know the system. So even the thief also, if he goes and serves the Lord, he will be protected by the Lord. You have heard the story of Kannappa? I think there is a place also in Tamil Nadu somewhere. Kannappa's temple is there. Where? Kalhasti. There is there. Achha. Kannappa was there. I'm not telling the whole story. But let's listen for 1 minute about him. You know what he did? Huh? No. When he went to worship, he was a hunter. When he went to worship Lord Shiva, lot of Pujari had put lot of nice flowers. He removed from his feet and offered the meat because he was a hunter. That Pujari said, oh my God, what a blasphemy. Blood all on the shivling. Sab bichara, after he went, he was afraid that he may not shoot him only. So when he went away, he cleaned with Ganga Jan and all these things. Next morning again he came. Again 1-2 days it happened. But Bhagwan had to show his Leela. So on the shivling, eyes came. And the eyes started bleeding. He couldn't see that eyes. So with the same arrow, he, gouging of his eyes, he brought his own eyes and put it. And Pujari was standing there. Then to tell that another eyes came, they started blinking. Then when he started taking out the second eye, then Lord Shiva expressed an embrace. So Bhagwan is only seeing how much this person has thirst to give me joy. Only strength of devotion is your thirst to give joy to the Lord. External thing, jati pati पूछे नहीं कोई, हरि को भजे सो हरि का होई. राम ही केवल प्रेम प्यारा, जान लई सोई जान नहीं हारा. So he is only thinking how much he wants for me. And therefore if Istena Nam Pate Nama is not there, then where will thieves go? He wants to improve himself. It is not that forever he will be thrown in the hell. This is not right. He will be given one more opportunity. If he does wrong, one more opportunity. There should be no end to opportunities. One day he will rise. And therefore it is Istena Nam Pate Namaha. Okay. So, and all are mentioned that here, that we will see this. Let us see the next verse. See, I told you Kripalu word. One is that Rudra who is very terrible. Rodayati Sarvan. who is having sword, who is having long hairs, whose hairs are touching the skies, and you don't know where is the end of the hair. Whose hands are everywhere. Om Hiranya Bahave. Whose feet is everywhere. Whose eyes are everywhere. One is that Rudra. Other is quietened Rudra. When a person prays and says Namah 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 Shivaya, don't say Namo Shivaya. Sanskrit wise it means Namah Shivaya. So don't say Namah Shivaya. So say Namah Shivaya. So that same Rudra who is terrible, he quietens down. Like somebody who has done mistake towards you, he just falls at your feet and says sorry, 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 sorry. As you will quieten down. So he quietens down after that. So from Rudra Rup, he becomes Saumya Rup. And in this third Anuvak, the worst of the people are mentioned here. So next word is Namo Vanchate Parivanchate Stayunam Pate Namo Namaha. Vanchate. Vanchate means who is an occasional cheater, not teacher. It's a cheater. Pickpocket is there. And Parivanchate means who is cheater everywhere. Natwar Lal. He is Parivanchate. I heard that Natwar Lal. क्या चीटिंग करता था भाई उसके भी ये है मालिक नो मालिक नहीं बोला है समथिंग क्या बोला you are the one who are the cheater and you are the one who are the occasional cheater and all time cheater अरे हाँ Rudra is the cheater why because he has cheated us by Maya cheating you understand no giving a small thing and taking a big prize that is called cheating. He gave a small family, small name, fame and took away the joy of the self. ये cheating हो गई. Stayu Nam Pate Namaha. Stayu means who cheat by remaining very close. In the company, my clerk took away a lot of money. So he is the Lord of that also. Remember I told you, please behave with the Antaryami. Even cheater's mind has that Antaryami. A cruel person is also very kind sometimes. He also follows his dictates. My time is over. The rest of it, if the same Rudra wants, then again we will resume it when I come next time in the morning class. It is his idea to come in all hearts, and it is his grace is tremendously upon me that I am able to talk about him. That is my fortune and his blessings upon me. His blessings alone run my life. And if he has to come in all hearts, he will find 100 ways to come. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Hri Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.